Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Konshens is back with some new music. Now, the artist recently announced his fifth studio album titled Red Rain. The project consists of 18 songs and will feature a few released tracks like Pay For It featuring Spice and Russian, Bong Bang with Nigerian singer Davido, and Eye Contact, among others. Red Rain will also host collaborations with British rapper Stefflon Don, plus a Puerto Rican musician Rafa Pabon, Bermudan singer Kaylin Castle, and compatriots Dre Island, Kimar Haikon, and Jesse Royal. In a series of red-themed videos on Instagram, Konshens shared the album's official artwork and gave fans a sneak peek of what to expect. The album is due to be released on Friday, November 12. Now, dancehall singer Javinji is also gearing up to release his new body of work in the form of an EP titled Passion. The new project is a follow-up to his December 2020 compilation, I Am the World Singer. Passion is produced by critically acclaimed producer Ainsley Not Nice Morris. Javinji said the energy of the EP will reflect the raw passion and truth he is known for in his previous tracks. Passion will be released on December 17. Now to news overseas, where pop star Pink has been named the most played female artist of the 21st century in the United Kingdom. The ranking was compiled by music licensing company PPL from music usage and airplay data from UK radio stations and television channels. Pink has received more airplay than Adele, Beyonce, Rihanna, Lady Gaga, and Katy Perry. The hitmaker is known for hits like Just Give Me a Reason and Try. I am Daedran with your weekend edition of E-Prime. Thank you for watching.